Alright, today we're going to be installing a Fleximount Garage Storage shelf, and I've already done a couple of videos on a couple of their products, and I absolutely love them. I'll link to those videos at the end of this one. Now this new product by Fleximount is designed to mount into the corner if you desire to do so, or you can mount each shelf independently. What you get is two 2-foot by 4-foot shelves with these heavy-duty brackets and all the mounting hardware that you'd be required to mount them. Each shelf is rated to hold 220 pounds, so 440 pounds is what the entire system is rated for. So let's go ahead and start getting them installed, and you'll get a closer look at the product as we go through that process. Alright, let's get started. Alright, you can see that the kit includes this mounting template. Okay, it has a little bubble level here. Okay, this just helps you mark off the holes. Now, because this kit is going to stick out 2 feet off the wall, you want to make sure that it's not someplace that you're going to crack your head open on it. And I don't want to crack Elvis's head open here. So we're going to go right there. And what I do is I just use this template to mark off the holes, and then I use a level on the final install, if that makes sense. Okay, so let me get my holes marked here, and then we'll make sure that it's level. Alright, so they include these lag bolts along with the washers, and it's a 13mm. Now you could use a wrench or you could use a ratchet. I'm going to use this impact here, and hopefully I'm not blocking the shot too much. Now the cool thing is, the way they design the brackets is they have this keyhole slot, so it makes it really easy to get things lined up. Like that. Okay. So it makes it easy to mount. Okay, now I can go ahead and get my other lag bolt and mount it in the bottom one. Let me tighten this one in a little bit more. Trying really hard not to break Elvis here. Probably should have moved him. Had him for a long time. Alright. Let me grab another lag bolt. Alright. Oh no! Almost cracked Elvis open. This is going to be a little test to see if my mother actually watches my videos, because if she does, she'll remember that. And my aunt made that for me, I believe. So, alright, let me move on to the other bracket. Now you can see I haven't tightened it down all the way. I'm going to. I might as well do that right now. Alright, so you can see where we're at here. Pretty much level. As I've said in other videos, as level as anything else in my home. So good enough for me, especially out in the garage here, okay? Let's move on in the instructions here, which I believe is going to be mounting the other brackets on the other wall, which is right here. Alright. Alright, this is where a straight edge or a level like I've got here would come in real handy. All I'm going to do is, I've got the level resting on the bracket, and in this direction it's still pretty level. It seems to maybe angle down a little bit. It could be because I didn't tighten my lags up all the way in this Reflectic, so I could probably adjust the tension on those lags to get that straight. But what we're going to do is come out here to the next stud after the end of the bracket. This is the instructions. And I've got mine right here, you can see. And I'm just going to come up to that level, essentially, and mark it off. Now, again, you do have a little bit of play. When I said make adjustments if necessary, you've got this key slot here, and then you've got this, which is not really a slot, but it's got a little bit of a slot to it. So this can come up and down slightly. So if you're not dead on, you can make adjustments afterwards with your level. I am right there. All right, let's see how that looks. Got to drill my holes. All right. And I didn't think it was, so that's why we thought we'd check. Okay, that right there looks good. I don't know if you can see the bubbles or not from your angle. All right, and that one looks good also. I don't think you can see the bubble, but I'm happy with it. Let me get this last one drilled and then bolted, and we'll move on to assembling the shelves. All right, let's take a quick look. This is what it looks like. Okay. That's where we are as far as being level, and I could adjust that without drilling any holes or anything. All I would need to do is loosen up those lags and slide that bracket up just a hair. I might even get away with just tightening this top one. I'm not in drywall here. I'm in this Reflectix. It's like bubble wrap. It has some give to it, so that could be throwing me off as well. But I'm not worried about it right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the racks on here and see how they set, and if I need to make adjustments like that, I'll do it afterwards. Let's get the racks on and see what it looks like. Let's see how it fits here. I am pumped. Incidentally, I'm going to include a link to this product down in the comment section so you can check it out. Don't forget to leave questions and comments down there while you're there. Alright, now what we need to do is bolt it all together, okay? So these racks bolt to the brackets and they also bolt to each other. So let me go ahead and grab a bit socket, and I think I can use the 13mm impact. Alright, I think it's worth mentioning once again that even if you don't have tools, look, everything you need to install this thing is included. Obviously, you know, if you have an impact wrench or you have a ratchet, and this is a 5mm hex bit socket, you know, life's going to be a little easier, but it's not necessary. They give you everything you need. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and get this all done. I'm not going to show you everything because there's a bunch of them. And then we'll take a look at it when it's all done and we'll see how rugged it is, okay? I'll be back. Alright, so we're done. Let's take a quick look. The shelves themselves bolt to the brackets, front and back. The shelves also bolt to each other in two places. Okay? So, hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give me that thumbs up. And if you want to see more about this Fleximount product, click that link down below in the comment section. I really like them. Another cool thing about the Fleximount products is you can hang extension cords like this, or tie-down straps, or bungee cords. So you've got a kind of a dual-purpose storage solution. 440 pounds of totes and all kinds of stuff. It's like Christmas here in my garage. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of this type of stuff, and have a great day. All right. Oh no! Almost cracked Elvis open.